No, I'll mention because of extreme urgency, I'm praying your losses leave to file one listed motion and with the leave of your losses to move it tomorrow. In connection with the other writ petitions, appearing at the list today as 999. 999 in the list. This is a similar matter, but your losses, we find that this should be taken up together. So we will serve today upon the learned government pleader or the junior government advocate, Mr. Loknath.
File it in the department and get the number and mention.
I have the
According to the norms of the department, unless your lawsuits officer signs it with your lawsuits leave, they do not give us. We cannot file it even.
In 72 hours, my lord, they will not allow us to give the number.
So when the other matter is coming up?
Already list in the. I have Mr. Bhattacharya appearing for the petitioners. We have spoken to him that let us take it up today your lawsuits, day after tomorrow, or tomorrow your lawsuits. Because extreme urgent your lawsuits.
What is the urgency?
Urgency your lawsuits. The government has published a standard of procedure for transfer of the teachers. This transfer of procedure is against the Right to Education Act itself. Completely. And they are in block transfer, started transferring.
Only the state is the answering respondent?
State is the answering respondent. Council is the executing authority.
99 থেকে কালকে আসবে?
No, this is already in the list.
Already the list.
From 997, your lordship will be taking up the matter.
But 999 is a similar matter.
Yes.
In fact, my dear lordship has given indication to my junior who mentioned this matter on Saturday to seek your lordship's leave. She has filed. It is not in the list. It has to be taken up with that matter only.
Okay, give that.
Let all the matter.
ওই কোনো লিঙ্কটা কিন্তু ঠিক নেই
First of all,
কারেক্ট লিঙ্ক পাঠাও
999.
99, who is appearing? You?
No, Mr. Vikas Bhattacharya is
999.
leading.
999 এর সঙ্গে
Yes.
I am for the petition 999 but I find they are mentioning a similar matter. The point of law would be very simple and lordship may be kind enough to hear one petition and cover others.
So 99 এর সাথেই আজকে
হ্যাঁ।
যেগুলো ফাইল হয়েছে সব একসাথে লিস্ট করুন।
We are taking leave.
Taken up. Fine. Any other matter, Mr. Ahmed? Any other matter which is this?
It will be tomorrow, I believe.
But kindly take it up tomorrow, your lordship.
Tomorrow.
My lord, we are appearing on behalf of state learned,
So leave করে ফাইল করে কালকে tomorrow.
led by learned GP, your lordship.
ঠিক আছে
ডেটটা দিতে হবে নাহলে নেবে না।
Thank you.
We are serving Mr. Singh and he will.
Led by learned GP, your lordship.
Okay.
Only one thing, your lordship, kindly secure that your lordship can take it up tomorrow at the first sitting. Much.
Deeply grateful.
উপরের দিকে রেখে দিও কালকে।
Sorry to disturb your lordship, kindly permit me to move a matter, tomorrow or day after. Concerned.
We give a date, Mr. Bhattacharya. Please wait. Mention on Friday. I will give it.
No, the matter will come infructuous.
Wow.
Because what happened is, I indicate to your lordship, the entire Madrasa Service Commission Act was put to challenge, the challenge failed in 2020. We were in course of the proceedings before the Honorable Supreme Court. We were granted approval. We were paid salary. We are working. Everything is said and done. For the last 10 years, we have been working since 2016. These persons, the persons whom I seek to represent. What has happened is, there were other persons who had gone to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, in 2023, framed a committee. That committee looked into it. Ultimately, the Supreme Court on 17th of July or 16th or 13th of July, 2026, has put to rest the entire issue. Not reopening the existing approvals. Nothing has been done by the Supreme Court. It has just said that these persons will not be entitled to relief. The persons before the Supreme Court, not us. We were granted approval. Now we are taking cue from the Honorable Supreme Court's order. What the DME is doing, the Director of Madrasa Education, he wants to examine and reopen this entire issue of approved teachers like us who are working Similarly circumstance, my lord, all these matters, my lord, the hearing is stated on the 5th. So on the 6th. 6th. So, my lord, I was humbly beseeching your lordship, my lord, I shall serve everyone. I'll come, my lord, may it appear any day convenient before 6th. Before 6th.
Why? 6 will hear it.
No,
সিক্স
six is
ওয়েডনেসডে
the-
তো
six-
ওয়েডনেসডে অসুবিধা নেই নো
Six is
কমিউনিকেশন
Thursday.
আমরা ওয়েডনেসডে তো
Well, we
মাদ্রাসা ম্যাটার
we're subject to your business committee, Miller. Folded hands, Miller kindly keeps it on.
দ্যাট ইজ ওয়েডনেসডে মিলট
What is the item number?
usually
Give
ওয়েডনেসডে
the item number.
Miller,
no
Oh, you have not filed.
yes
we received it on Saturday.
Saturday
Where is that notice that DM is trying to?
yes ওটা হ্যাঁ ওটা দিলে
This is notice.
আর অ্যাপ্রুভালটা দেখিয়ে দাও সাবজেক্ট টু দি 606 লেখাই আছে তো
Please attend this
Please,
office and understand relevant documents and
অ্যাপ্রুভালটা দেখো উইথ এ রাইডার
ঠিক আছে,
রাইডার
Friday
রাইডার ওয়াজ
তে-
देयर
Wednesday তে রাখো।
yes মিলট মাদ্রাসা ম্যাটার্স
Wednesday মাদ্রাসা
Well,
দিনে রাখো।
প্রডিউস
লিফটে দিয়ে দাও।
Miller, I shall, your lordship's pleasure that Miller fill up the form and.
no I have filled up no issue
Leave
What
is
am-
granted on Wednesday.
Copy
This
with
will appear.
Wednesday.
Ensure the appearance of the
My
state.
তো বিশাল সাব
my lord.
আপনাকে দিয়ে দেবো।
Number detail.
ওই রাহুলকে নাম্বার দিয়ে
এইটা
On the date of hearing, please indicate what was the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court.
yes absolutely
Miller, it is seeking to reopen a closed chapter.
exactly
Okay.
Miller, these persons were not even before the Supreme Court. Miller, I had the occasion to appear before the Supreme Court. Mr. Sohail was with me in the Supreme Court. Mr. Banerjee, Miller, did not appear. Miller, I do not know why, but he was there.
You have not taken it. Chalo. Item number one. What is this matter?
না না এখানে ডাইরেক্ট কোর্টের অর্ডার হয়ে গেছে নাহলে ওখানে
এটা to be mentioned কোথা আছে?
On the last occasion also, it was appeared as under heading to be mentioned.
কেন রে তুমি মেনশন দিয়ে অ্যাপিয়ার করছো হিয়ারিং নাম্বার
আমি mention করছি, এটা hearing আমরা এই এসপি প্রথমেই একটা মাস্টার্স।
Why this is appearing on a to be mentioned?
দ্যাটস
I mentioned
হার্ড
the matter, well, I mentioned the matter before your lordships on any Friday. I don't know, if I have forgotten the date also. Now, urgency is that, my lord, urgency is that, my lord, in the recruitment of 2016, our marks is higher than the appointed candidates' marks. The West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the year 2023 provided the cutoff marks, the last marks of the last impanel candidate in each category in respect of all districts. Thereafter, we came to know that our marks is higher than the appointed candidate marks. Even if our marks is not allotted in the interview and
I am
aptitude test.
conceding to the interim prayer for interim order. Pass it, your lordship. Kindly. So urgent, my lord. But suddenly it has become so urgent. Similar problems.
What is
Pass it. Prayer F 25.
Absolutely, on 23rd November, 28th
No,
November.
no, that's I'm
2020.
conceding.
Kindly see the notice once.
I'm conceding to the interim order. Then I will file affidavit. My learned friend can't ask more than this because of urgency.
in
Let
28?
a report be filed, my lord, to that
That's
effect.
fine.
Why, my lord, the marks is higher? The petitioner, why the petitioners are deprived from getting
no,
appointment
reports-
in spite
report
of
have
having higher marks?
Reports have not been filed.
No,
No,
no, no. I find my lord, I'm not, I may be,
in this
Filed.
petition, nothing has been filed.
Come up with a report, will be said.
Yes.
And what is scan 1 of 25?
but I will file a complete affidavit.
Affidavit in office.
Complete affidavit.
What is scan?
the addition of party my lord similar
No, that's I'm opposing.
Give a copy to you, file an opposition.
Yes, yes.
This matter is appearing under the heading to be mentioned. Mr. Subir Sannal, our senior advocate, appearing for the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, seeks to file affidavit in opposition to the writ petition as well as the CAN application being CAN 1 of 2025. Let such affidavits in opposition to the writ petition and the CAN application be filed within a period of 2 weeks. Reply for any 1 week, 3 weeks for a hearing at least.
রেকর্ড করে নিন কেমন কপি দিচ্ছি
Any.
তাও নিয়ে নি কিছু দেখাই
সব ঠিক ক্যান করছেন
27th August.
I appear on behalf of National Testing Agency. My lord, there was a direction upon me to, my lord, inform this honorable court of the status of the criminal case initiated by, my lord, Delhi Police against the petitioner, my lord, under the, my lord, relevant provisions of
Charge sheet filed.
charge sheet has not been, my lord, they submitted a report on the last occasion. My lord, thereafter, it was placed before your lordship on the last occasion. And my lord desired that the further progress of the investigation should be informed to the court. Now, my lord, we tried to contact the police concerned, Okla police. Now, that apart, my lord, our officials were very busy with the NEET examination and all this thing. So they had followed that up in spite of that. But they are, my lord, they are not letting us know the status of the thing. My lord, I was beseeching your lordship that kindly direct the Okla police station to forward a report through NTA.
No, then who is for this Union of India? You are for NTA.
Yes, lordship.
Who appeared for Union of India? Who appeared for Union of India?
Union of India non-represented. Because they are not.
Serve a copy to the office of the Additional Solicitor General.
Yes, my lord, I have served previously. My lord, what has happened, my lord? My lord, this is the first order passed by 1st July 2025. My lord, kindly have a look this. My lord, this is the scenario, my lord. What has happened, my lord? 1st July 2025. After several times, my lord, adjournment by this, my lord, NTA, and my lord, this second order, my lord, 14th July 2025. And my lord, they pray, and my lord, 28th July 2025, verbally, my lord, I don't know, my lord, I don't see this FIR of this, my lord, NTA. My lord, honorable court, intervention, and my lord, force. Why this is situation, my lord? They lodged a complaint, not directed verbally, my lord, honorable court order to this NTA, and what happened? My lord, this is the, my lord, page number 28, not record this order. My learned senior friend here, my lord, only, my lord, verbally order by this honorable court. After that, my lord, FIR was lodged. But why, my lord, my lord, FIR against me, I can't understand, my lord. This is the received by mail, through mail, till date, my lord. My mail not investigate. But where I got this mail, my lord? Actually, what
My
has
lord.
happened, my lord? I got, my lord. This is the investigation stage, my lord. Every time, my lord, this is the one. How I got this mail, my lord? Only one query, my lord. They have entire, my lord, 1 year investigation is going on, my lord. What is the, my lord, National Testing Agency, my lord? Can anyone believe this National Testing Agency, my lord? 1 year after, my lord, observing of this court. And my lord, my learned friend, I am the accused, my lord. Police, my lord, I am the accused. Why, my lord? My father is a daily labor. My lord, I am the accused. My lord,
Lord.
I got the 97%, 70% mark, 96% marks. My lord, I am the accused.
May I submit? My lord, this honorable court was prima facie satisfied that the petitioner has tampered with, concocted documents, and, my lord, doctored documents, and his lordship, Justice Basu, as his lordship then was, observed that appropriate steps should be taken because the new act came into force, 2024, the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act. Now it has been amended. The other day, Parliament has passed, and it has been. Now what has happened, my lord, many cases have surfaced that, my lord, last week there were at least 4 or 5 cases. My lord, Honorable Justice Sinha, Amrita Sinha, my lord, dismissed all writ petition with some observation that this will not prevent the NTA from taking action steps under prevention of the public examination under the relevant act. Now, my lord, this is going on. My lord, repeated this thing. Now, what in on the basis, my lord, we filed a, my lord, complaint. Thereafter, what happened, my lord, the police wanted some documents from us. We supplied all relevant documents as available on the website. Now they have doctored some documents to show that they got more marks, the student. So the court was satisfied, prima facie satisfied that something has been done. So on that basis, so we have furnished all documents and the police, my lord, they have, my lord, we cannot go, my lord, do something beyond our, my lord, we have taken up the
Give a
matter.
notice to the additional
My
solicitor.
lord, kindly, my lord, this is the, my lord, one order of this Bombay High Court. My lord, kindly have a look.
It is,
Last day, my lord. My lord,
This-
this is the similar
that is appearing
situation.
under the heading to be mentioned. Keep it with you. Give a notice to the additional solicitor general.
My lord,
You have not got the status report.
my lord, yes.
Mr. U.S. Menon,
Latest report. One report was filed on the last.
advocate appearing for respond numbers 3, 4, and 5, submits that he is yet to receive the status report, recent status report from the investigating agency.
My lord,
Bench learned advocate for the petitioner submits that despite securing more marks as per the OMR sheet, the petitioner has not been allowed admission. Investigation is going on for last 1 year. None appears on behalf of Union of India. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve a notice in the office of, it's a deputy solicitor general or additional solicitor general.
additional,
Mr. Dwivedi is
deputy solicitor.
additional solicitor general.
No, Dwivedi is additional.
File a affidavit of service on the returnable day, intimating the next date of hearing. आगे intimating to them that.
My lord, kindly next week. My lord, today, my lord, I have served. My lord,
My lord,
kindly fixed it.
My lord, he will
Next week.
submit all, he'll forward all papers to the, I mean,
Let
My
the
lord.
notice be served of the hearing of this case.
yes,
Let him appear. We'll give a direction.
my lord. My lord will.
Union, he says that already the
My lord,
notice and the
if
copies
it-
have been
if it-
served.
My lord,
You have earlier served.
Yes, my lord, I have.
if it comments
service, my
your lordship,
to my lord.
kindly direct the police also, because otherwise, this.
Let the union appear. Let the union appear. We'll see. Next. Next week. তারপরের উইকে দাও। পরের উইকে প্রথমের দিকে রাখুন। 7 days, 10 days at a date down.
And my lord, he will forward copy of the last report also. Otherwise, Leonard, additional solicitor general will not be able to understand what is the case.
The copies. Notice as well as copies of the writ petition and the copy of the, you have received the copy of the last order?
Yes.
Last report?
Yes.
Copy of the reports furnished by the, which industrial?